Welcome to our detailed review of the website e8markets.com. If you're interested in online trading, e8markets.com might be a site you've come across. Let's break down what this site offers and what you should know before diving in. e8markets.com is an online platform designed for traders who are looking to engage in various markets. The website offers a user-friendly interface, making it easier for both beginners and experienced traders to navigate. One of the standout features of e8markets.com is its wide range of trading options. From Forex to commodities and cryptocurrencies, the platform covers a wide spectrum of trading instruments. Security is a major concern for any online trading platform. e8markets.com uses advanced security measures to protect user data and transactions, providing traders with peace of mind. Customer support is another crucial aspect of any trading platform. e8markets.com offers reliable customer support, ensuring that traders can get help whenever they need it. In conclusion, e8markets.com is a comprehensive trading platform with a user-friendly interface, a variety of trading options, robust security, and dependable customer support. Whether you're a new trader or an experienced one, it's worth exploring.